Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. So in this video, tutuloy na natin yung series natin. Now, sa previous video, napag-aralan natin that if we have two binomials of the form a plus b and a minus b, pag minultiply natin sila ay we can just square the first expression. Yan, isi-square lang natin. And then we can subtract the square of the second expression. So ito yung second expression. I-square lang natin yan. So, yan yung pinaka-shortcut niya, no? Kung bakit ganyan, ay na-discuss na natin yan sa previous video. Okay, so isolve natin itong m plus 5 times m minus 5. So, you square the first expression, which is m. And then you square the second expression, which is 5. And then you subtract, no? So, magiging m squared minus 25. Ito na yung sagot. Now for number 2, we have 7y minus 3z times 7y plus z. Pareho rin, baliktad lang yun. Una lang yung subtraction, pero ganun pa rin naman yan. No? Yung isa addition, yung isa subtraction, tapos pareho sila ng first expression, saka ng pareho din yung kanilang second expression. So this is equal to, we square the first expression, which is 7y, and then we subtract the square of the second expression. So 7y squared is the same as 7 squared times y squared. And then minus 3 squared times z squared, which is equal to 49y squared minus 9 z squared. Yun na yung sagot natin. No? What about this one? So this is 3/4 r. So we square the first expression and then subtract the square of the second expression. S squared. So this is equal to 3/4 squared. We square the number and also we square the variable and then minus s squared. And 3/4 squared is the same as 3/4 times 3/4, which is equal to 9/16. So this is equal to 9/16 r squared minus s squared. Okay, last example. So negative 5c plus 8 times 5c plus 8. Parang hindi naman ito a plus b times a minus b. Well, pwede natin siya i-rewrite. Magiging 8 plus negative 5c times, baliktarin natin yung isa, 8 plus 5c. At kung matagal na kayong nanonood sa Sipnayan, I think alam nyo na dahil maraming beses ko na sinabi na ang a plus negative b is the same as a minus b. So itong 8 plus negative 5c, pwede natin siyang isulat as 8 minus 5c. Tapos, 8 plus 5c. O, sumang difference na sila. So, you square the first expression. And then you subtract the square of the second expression. So, this is equal to 64 minus 5 squared c squared, which is equal to 64 minus 25 c squared. Alright, so maiksi lang no, yung ating tutorial pero hopefully ay natuto kayo at sana ay mag-subscribe kayo sa ating channel. Don't forget to invite your friends. I'll see you in the next video.